Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to present in Canva with Presenter View. Alright, so first of all, just open your presentation and go on top right corner, click on share, and here click on see all. Now click on present. As you can see, there are three features offered by Canva. I will explain each one of these step by step. Now let's go on full screen first. Okay, now as you can see, these are some features offered by Canva, like zoom in or zoom out. This is pretty simple. And draw on page. Like if you want to draw anything, you can just select any one of these brushes or colors. If you want to change color, click on color, and from here you can choose whatever color you like. Okay, now there are some cool animation features offered by Canva. As you can see, just go on this magic shortcut on bottom right corner, and here you can use all these animations by using your keyboard. So for example, I want to use this animation, quiet. So I'm going to press Q on my computer, on my keyboard, and as you can see, the animation is really cool. So let's try another one. Let's try mic drop. Cool. Drum roll. My favorite, curtain call. So as you can see, these are really cool. So now if you want to remove these, just click on clear and the animation will be removed. Okay, now another cool feature added by Canva is Q&A with Canva Live. So if you want to share your Canva presentation, or if you want to explain your Canva presentation to someone, just go on this option, click on start new session, and from here go on this option right over here, click on copy invitation and share this ID with someone. Now they have to go on Canva Live and they will have to paste this ID in order to join your presentation. Now they can also just scan this QR code right over here in order to access your presentation. If you want to remove Q&A or remove reactions in your presentation, just go on settings and you can disable it from here. Alright, for now I'm gonna end this session. Now there are also some options like this one, click on more, and from here you can add timer to your presentation, as you can see. Now if you can also add autoplay, like if you don't have to do anything, the presentation will play automatically like this. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. Okay, now if you want the cursor to be on the presentation, you can enable this option. Now if you want this cursor to be gone, you can just go on hide magic cursor. Now let's go on another option, presenter view. So as you can see, my presentation is opened in another window, time, timer, and here are some options. So let's try this one. If you want to write something on your Canva presentation while presenting it, you can just go on this notepad option and you can write whatever you want. All the options are same like before. So yeah, that's it. These are some options offered by Canva you can use. The last one is just your full screen mode. So you can go on that option and you can use that to present your screen in full mode. That's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.